This video will demonstrate how to enter a new issue using Brian. We are showing the issue window as it displays an already entered issue. To enter a new issue, we'll press the New Issue button. This will clear the fields to allow us to enter our new data. For this demonstration, we are entering a Barbara Lee CD titled At the Atlanta Jazz Party. After entering the title, we enter the label. Notice the label is a lookup field, so we are in effect selecting an already entered label and then choosing it. We go on to enter the catalog number and the issue artist. Again, the issue artist is a lookup field, so we are choosing an already entered artist. We enter the optional field for the release date. Then we choose the format for the issue. In this case, it is a CD. To document our source information, we choose a verification. In this case, the CD is in our collection. Press the Save New Issue button to save the entry. We can then go on to enter tracks for the issue. One way to enter tracks is to use the Performance Lookup field. This lookup field will only show songs that have been entered as session performances. The first track on the CD is A Fine Romance. We select that in the lookup field, and the list box below will be populated with all the performances of A Fine Romance. Select the appropriate entry and press the Add to Issue button to add it to the track list. An alternate way to enter tracks is to drag and drop them from entries on the Sessions window. Before selecting a session, it is convenient to filter them by performer. Use the Filter Lookup field to filter only sessions where Barbara Lee performs. Now we select the sessions containing the performances for the Atlanta Jazz Party. In all, there are 4 sessions that contain the performances we need to add to the issue. We start with the session of April 24th. Select all the performances for that session and then drag and drop them on the track list of the issues window. Then go to the next session containing performances we need. Notice this session contains the already entered track of A Fine Romance. We don't need this one, so we select only the other 3 and then drag and drop again. Continue this procedure with the next 2 sessions we need. After these are completed, we have all the tracks we need placed on the CD. Of course, the tracks are not necessarily in the correct CD playing order. We'll need to use drag and drop to reorder the tracks correctly. A Fine Romance was entered first, and that happens to be the correct first track. The next track on the CD is Georgia on My Mind. Drag and drop it underneath A Fine Romance. Continue on dragging and dropping the tracks until the order is correct as listed on the CD. For the purposes of saving video time, we'll only do the first 5 tracks. Notice how Brian automatically changes the track sequence number as the tracks are reordered. Feel free to email me if you have any questions regarding Brian.